Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about my 30 favorite products from KNIPEX for EDC. I have to mention that I am not sponsored for this specific KNIPEX video. I love the quality made in Germany in combination with the excellent functionality. Let's talk about the first category, combination pliers. The most modern multi-tools on the market have combination pliers. They are very functional for different EDC tasks. This Victorinox is an excellent example, and these tools from Leatherman too. But when we are talking about combination pliers or needle nose combination pliers, the pliers from KNIPEX are on another level compared to standard multi-tool pliers. Pliers like on the Leatherman side clip are good, but pliers from KNIPEX are excellent. So let's talk about the first model, about the needle nose combination pliers from KNIPEX. This is a 145mm version. When we are talking about the needle nose combination pliers, we have a cutting area and two grip areas, perfect for different tasks, and I love the version with this handle here. When it comes to the finish of the plier head, you find different versions. And you find different options when it comes to the handle. The best comfort, in my opinion, give you the comfort grips from KNIPEX, especially with the rubberized area here. But when we are talking about slim designs for the everyday carry toolkit organizer, I prefer the standard handles in red. You see it in the direct comparison, more comfortable but more bulky, not that comfortable but a lot slimmer. In my opinion, one of the most underrated plier design for EDC. Standard combination pliers not in a needle nose design. You have excellent wire cutters and different grip sections. I love this model because it's very budget friendly. And when we are talking about the size, this one here is a 140mm version. This one is a 145mm version. This one is a little bit more compact for your everyday carry toolkit. There are a lot of excellent Victorinox Swiss Army knives on the market, but most of them don't have pliers, and I show you two excellent options. One of my favorite combinations for EDC, the combination pliers in the mini version from KNIPEX and the Victorinox Alox Pioneer. The mini combination pliers are definitely next level, especially when we are talking about very small and compact pliers. And pliers in this size are very popular when we're thinking about the Gerber Dime or the Leatherman Squirt series. The combination of a great little cutting tool with different grip sections makes this an ideal everyday carry tool. And this KNIPEX version is small enough to carry it, for example, in a compact Maxpedition toolkit organizer. And that counts for the next model too, combination pliers with a rounded but very fine tip. A tool with useful wire cutters and a very precise tip. Both sizes are marked on the handle. This is the 110mm version. This is the 125mm version. This one is a better choice for a compact EDC kit. Let's talk about a very underrated category when it comes to the KNIPEX product line. Let's talk about universal keys. The first version, one of my all-time favorites, it's a control cabinet key or mini universal key from KNIPEX. The perfect size for the keychain, and you can use it, for example, for an improvised screwdriver. The next version is this pen-style universal key. I really like the slim design in combination with the functionality and the pocket clip. You have different keys inside depending on your needs. And this version comes also with an adapter for short and double-sided bits. Let's talk about this heavy-duty version of the universal key. It's a full metal construction. It's definitely a heavy-duty tool with so many great options, and I love the option to carry this one on a metal chain. The next item in our selection is the universal key joint key Quadro. It's very compact to carry, but you can unfold it and you are ready to go with different keys. And we can also talk about the smaller brother, the double joint. Another great option is the professional key. It's this one version here. and it's one of my most carried universal keys. Last but not least, I want to talk about the most popular model in this selection. Let's talk about the KNIPEX Twin Key. It's a high quality universal key with so many great options. Two magnets are integrated, a great option to hold the set together. And you can also use this one as an improvised screwdriver. When it comes to universal keys, you find definitely the right version in the KNIPEX product line. Depending on your needs and the focus of your toolkit, the grip pliers from KNIPEX are definitely a great choice to hold things together or in place. The next item, very popular in the EDC community, let's talk about the KNIPEX TwinGrip. The perfect option to unscrew a rounded or rusty screw. When you are looking for heavy-duty scissors, the Electrician Scissors from KNIPEX are an excellent choice. The design is not the most compact design, but these are extremely durable scissors and you can cut, for example, soft wire with them. The sheath fits perfectly and makes it very easy to carry this tool on your belt or outside your everyday carry toolkit organizer. When we are talking about different sets, everyday carry toolkits, bushcraft kits, first aid kits, high quality tweezers are definitely necessary. The tweezers from KNIPEX are very precise and perfect for different tasks. This one is the version I normally carry in my first aid kit. No high quality tool selection for EDC without the KNIPEX Cobra series. This is a selection of the KNIPEX Cobra series from the XS version to the 125mm version, the 150mm version, the 180mm version and the 180mm version with an extra slim plier head. Very powerful, very durable and also a great choice for the fifth pocket. I think when we talk about the compact models, the 125mm version and the XS version are the most popular models for this category. And I think it's always important to talk about the carry options. When we have, for example, a mini organizer from Maxpedition, the 150mm version fits perfectly in. And it's very easy to close the EDC organizer from Maxpedition with a model from the 180mm series. And I have to talk about this model with the unique design of the plier head. This is the KNIPEX Cobra in the ES version. ES stands for extra slim. You have so many great options in a very slim design. Definitely a perfect choice for a bigger EDC toolkit. The perfect companion for the KNIPEX Cobra series, let's talk about the KNIPEX Pliers Wrench lineup. This is a lineup in the same sizes. We have the mini version, the 125mm version, 150mm version and the 180mm version. This KNIPEX Duo is always in my backpack in a special pouch. We will talk about the pouch later. The perfect option for different nuts and bolts, one of my all-time favorite KNIPEX designs. It's an excellent tool, but check out the perfect fit and finish with the beautiful design. Let's talk about side or wire cutters. You find the side, wire or bolt cutters in different designs from lightweight and very precise to heavy duty. For a compact kit, I love to carry the 110mm version. The tools from the 140mm version are also a great choice. And the comfort grip handles with the rubberized area here are also a great choice, especially for long working hours. The 160mm version is the smallest member of the KNIPEX bolt cutter series. And I hope that this model will be available in one or two smaller versions in the near future. When you are looking for a high quality belt carry in an excellent organizer, check out the organizer for the KNIPEX Minis. It's secured with hook and loop. Inside you find two different compartments for the KNIPEX Mini Pliers Wrench and the Cobra XS. And you have two heavy-duty rubber loops, one here, one here. It's a perfect slot to attach, for example, a flashlight. The next pouch is also fairly underrated. It's the KNIPEX modular pouch. You have a main compartment and different loops from the outside to attach, for example, a flashlight or other everyday carry equipment. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite KNIPEX tools for your everyday carry toolkits.